cash in. I ain't trying to do shit. I got the cash bit. Oh, that's on me? Yeah. Check it out. The way it is, relax, niggas. Gonna put his mouth while he's chilling with his spouse. I ain't talking about what the shit be about. The real shit, the ill shit, niggas got the doubt. Yes, without a doubt, motherfuckers in the crib now. Relax, motherfucker, cause I'm aiming at them kids, child. KS, bitch, on that nonsense shit. The wolf pack make a nigga vomit, bitch. Get your ass all caught up, feelings tingling in your feelings, bitches. Yeah, what's up? Want problems now? You better get that AK rounds. Motherfuckers keep the shit in the lay down. I mean, low down. You motherfuckers scared as fuck. Scared to even throw down. But I ain't gonna hit kids, smack them up, motherfuckers get shit. Better start hot up. Lot of fucks. Clowning, lying about your music. How you fucking banging what? Zach's in the mix.
The loud mouth.
802. Hold on, nah, man. Nah, yo.
The loud.
Yeah, you gotta say the loud mouth.
Everything loud mouth. Yo.
Check them out.
The loud mouth.
Yo. All right.
Yeah.
Yo, that's it. 802. That's the place that we rep it. Oh, wait. Hold on a second.
The loud mouth.
Man, what is this, man?
The Beatles. No.
Check it out.
He said he can't.
Look.
Loud mouth.
Bring the beat back.
That's the hook.
Yeah.
Yo, check it out.
Check it out. The
Check
loud
it out.
mouth.
Okay, all right.
You got it?
The loud mouth.
Alright, bro.
You don't want to fuck with me.
Zach.
You're trying to make me laugh on stage.
No.
Yo, because of that, I got it on Smash Like a Beetle, then like a Beetle. Go ahead. I want my own.
It's your
shot.
man Quann. Leave a nigga holy go. If you nigga front on me, I'll send him to the Holy Ghost. Keep it clapping with my ratchet, cause I give it up. A nigga stripping like them bitches in them players clubs. Spazzing with my ratchet, this nigga he keep the clapping and I'm cutting on a static flow. Nigga stop the rapping, quit the yapping, get the clapping. I'm done with it. Lit it like the match.
The loud mouth. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Yo.
Oh, he tried to roast me. You see this?
Who's that?
That's who it is.
Nigga, my Jack Slim shirt. Tell that nigga get murked. Hungry as fuck, nigga, you get jerked.
Do the jerk.
Male homo shit get furt.
And eat some dirt.
No.
Eat some dirt.
If you're hungry.
Dirt,
Nigga,
nigga.
hungry as fuck.
You got a hungry tummy.
Hungry Dro.
Yo,
Spaz.
Dro.
Hold
Yo,
up.
hold on.
I said I'm clapping with my rap shit. You see a bunch of faggots. Quanny and the Scrappy, and I'm known for this rap shit. KSB matchstick, yeah, it's all me. True Zeus. Ignite the spark and then I tell you to the wolves. Yeah, the kid back and had to switch my flow up. Now the kid nasty like shit and throw up. Yeah, I hit hard. 8 train if you need that. The young heavyweight. Battle me if you need facts. It's freestyles with Donkelis. It's written superb. Young Quanny be killing them herbs. Yeah, I'm still a youngin'. You should step into my war zone.
Yeah. All right. Start it over.